innovative approach to brain mapping using viral injections.
E11 Bio is developing a new method to create detailed maps of mouse brains by injecting them with viruses that label neurons with unique proteins. This technique aims to significantly reduce both the time and cost associated with traditional brain mapping methods, potentially allowing for a whole mouse connectome to be completed in less than a year. Current challenges in mapping brain structures involve analyzing vast amounts of data, often necessitating extensive human proofreading alongside AI assistance. With a focus on overcoming these hurdles, E11 plans to publish research on its initial findings in brain mapping, contributing to advancements in understanding complex brain networks.
Amazon Web Services enhances AI integration amid competition.
Amazon Web Services, AWS, has significantly increased its focus on generative AI, narrowing the gap with competitors like Microsoft and Google. During its annual tech event, AWS introduced advanced processors designed for training large language models and showcased AI tools that streamline application migration to its cloud. Despite the growing interest in generative AI, AWS's CEO noted that most businesses remain in the experimental phase and are still exploring viable applications for deeper investments. AWS is also seeking to attract Windows customers by automating the transition of their applications to its platform, while emphasizing the need for trust in AI technology.
Emerging competition in AI chip market challenges NVIDIA.
Amazon and AMD are developing new AI chips that aim to rival NVIDIA's dominance, particularly in the inferencing phase of AI development. Amazon's Trainium 2 chips and AMD's MI300 chips promise faster speeds and lower costs for AI tasks, marking a significant shift in the industry. The demand for these alternatives is growing as firms like Qualcomm and data center operators seek more efficient and cheaper AI solutions. Despite increased competition, NVIDIA maintains its lead through advanced AI software and ongoing demand for its powerful Blackwell chips.
Latest developments in AI investment and technology.
Jeff Bezos has injected $700 million into Tenstorrent, an AI chip startup aiming to challenge NVIDIA, with plans for expanded hiring and manufacturing partnerships with TSMC and Samsung. OpenAI is considering the inclusion of advertising in its products as it explores new revenue streams after generating $300 million in monthly revenue, although no active plans are in place yet. Amazon Web Services CEO Matt Garman emphasized that the AI race is ongoing and highlighted the company's significant investments in AI technology and infrastructure. World Labs, co-founded by Fei-Fei Li, revealed an AI system capable of generating three-dimensional worlds from a single image, marking a notable advancement in spatial intelligence.
New testing reveals limitations of AI models in gaming.
A new platform named Balrog has shown that leading AI language models struggle with complex gaming challenges, with OpenAI's GPT-4o achieving only 32% of possible scores overall. Despite performing decently in basic tasks, GPT-4o failed in games requiring long-term strategy, scoring just 1.5% in NetHack and 33% in a resource management game. The study particularly highlighted poor performance in visual decision-making, indicating important areas for improvement in AI capabilities.
Gemini's new feature enhances functionality for Android users.
The Gemini Assistant for Android now allows users to make calls and send messages without unlocking their phones, streamlining hands-free operations. This feature is part of an ongoing effort to enhance Gemini, which initially struggled with limited capabilities compared to Google Assistant. Users will need the latest version of the Google app to access this functionality, and as the rollout continues, more hands-free features could be introduced in the future.
AWS Bedrock introduces model distillation and automated reasoning checks.
AWS has launched updates for Amazon Bedrock, featuring model distillation to enable faster training of smaller models using larger ones, and automated reasoning checks to detect hallucinations in AI responses. The model distillation process allows enterprises to customize model selections and fine-tune them according to their specific workloads, utilizing knowledge from larger models without compromising response times. Automated reasoning checks enhance the accuracy of AI outputs by mathematically verifying responses, thus increasing trust in AI applications for businesses requiring high precision.
Top AI vendors and trends for 2025.
AI Insights has released a buyer's guide for large language models, naming OpenAI as the clear market leader with 65% share, while also highlighting 6 other notable vendors: Amazon, Anthropic, Cohere, Custom GPT, Meta, and Microsoft. The generative AI market is projected to grow significantly by 2025, with 33% of companies expected to implement models into production, driven by decreasing costs and a focus on proprietary LLMs for data privacy and compliance. Key developments include the emergence of vertical-specific small language models, the rise of voice assistants as a primary interface, and ongoing challenges related to the reliability and integration of AI agents in enterprise settings.
Amazon launches new Nova AI models and partnerships.
Amazon has introduced a new lineup of AI foundation models under the Nova branding, now available in its Amazon Bedrock library. The models include Nova Micro, Lite, and Pro, with Nova Premier expected in early 2025, designed for complex reasoning tasks. Additionally, Amazon is developing a significant AI compute cluster with Anthropic to enhance its AI offerings.
Elon Musk's legal moves against OpenAI and AI investment plans.
Elon Musk briefly withdrew his lawsuit against OpenAI in June after meeting with Sam Altman in March at a tech conference in Montana, where they reportedly shared a hug. Musk originally filed the lawsuit in February, claiming that OpenAI violated its non-profit mission through its partnership with Microsoft, but he later amended the suit to include Microsoft as a defendant, alleging monopoly practices. While pursuing these legal actions, Musk continues to promote his vision of Tesla as an AI company and is actively developing his own AI startup, xAI, which is reportedly valued at $50 billion.
Latest developments in ChatGPT and OpenAI innovations.
OpenAI has launched GPT-4o, its new flagship model for ChatGPT, which features enhanced voice capabilities and is now the default free model for users. Internal challenges at OpenAI include the departure of key personnel and ongoing copyright lawsuits from media companies, raising concerns over the use of trained models on copyrighted content. Upcoming developments include the integration of ChatGPT with Apple devices and the prediction of new AI hardware supported by strategic partnerships aimed at further expanding AI capabilities.
Google expands video generation tool Veo to more users.
Google has made its AI video generator, Veo, available for private preview to customers using Vertex AI, aiming to enhance creative applications like Quora's Poe chatbot and marketing efforts for Mondelez International. Veo can generate up to 6 seconds of 1080p video clips, adapting to different visual styles and allowing for specific edits, while Google continues to refine the model for enterprise use. Utilizing various high-quality datasets for training, Google acknowledges the risks tied to generative AI, including potential copyright issues, and has implemented protective measures like prompt-level filters and watermarking technology.
Enhanced Claude 3.5 models with AWS innovation.
Claude models are now optimized for AWS Trainium 2, boosting inference speed by up to 60% for various applications in Amazon Bedrock. Model distillation allows the cost-effective Claude 3 Haiku to achieve performance close to larger models, automating knowledge transfer for efficient training. The price for using Claude 3.5 Haiku has been lowered, making it accessible for a broader range of applications on multiple platforms.
Insights on AI explosive growth from Steve Jurvetson.
Steve Jurvetson argues that artificial intelligence is on the verge of exponential advancements, signaling a transformative era across industries. He highlights a significant shift in computational power, noting that NVIDIA's dominance in AI hardware emerged from a strategic focus on deep learning needs, leaving competitors like Intel behind. Jurvetson anticipates that every industry will evolve into an information-centric model, prioritizing data utilization over traditional practices as simulation science replaces trial and error methods.
Power needs for AI computing set to surge by 2026.
By 2026, AI data centers worldwide are expected to demand up to 40 gigawatts of power, equivalent to 8 times the energy consumption of New York City, according to Thomas Graham of Lightmatter. As companies increasingly deploy large language models like GPT-4, the need for advanced computational resources will grow significantly, requiring more sophisticated hardware for inference tasks. Lightmatter is developing optical chip technology to enhance data transfer speed and energy efficiency in these data centers, facilitating a shift from traditional copper wiring to optics.
Google Cloud unveils Veo AI video generator model on Vertex AI.
Google Cloud has launched its Veo video generation model and updated Imagen 3 for image generation on the Vertex AI platform, enhancing their multimodal AI capabilities. Veo generates high-definition videos from text or image prompts, focusing on frame consistency, while Imagen 3 offers advanced image editing features and photorealistic text-to-image generation. The introduction of these models aims to assist businesses in streamlining creative workflows, with notable clients already seeing reductions in production time for video advertising.
Challenges and opportunities in enterprise AI investment.
In 2024, enterprise investment in AI applications has surged eightfold, reaching nearly $14 billion, driven primarily by spending on AI-generated code and foundation models. However, a significant number of organizations still lack a clear strategy for implementing generative AI, with over a third of surveyed IT decision-makers expressing uncertainty. The report indicates a rapid growth in AI applications and predicts that AI agents will disrupt the enterprise software market, leading to increased competition and a talent shortage in the field.
OpenAI appoints its first chief marketing officer.
OpenAI has appointed Kate Rauch, previously the CMO of Coinbase, as its first chief marketing officer to enhance its marketing strategies. This move is part of OpenAI's broader effort to strengthen its executive team, which has seen several key hires in leadership positions.
Amazon enhances AI capabilities with new chip clusters.
Amazon is collaborating with Anthropic to provide a new chip cluster that significantly boosts the startup's processing power for AI models. This project, named Rainier, will utilize over 100,000 of Amazon's advanced Trainium 2 semiconductors to enhance capabilities in training large language models for generative AI.
AWS introduces tool to mitigate AI hallucinations.
Amazon Web Services has launched automated reasoning checks to reduce AI hallucinations by validating model responses against customer-provided information. Additionally, AWS announced model distillation to enable users to transfer capabilities from large to smaller models, aiming for cost efficiency in AI operations.
New AI-focused initiative launched by Larry Ellison Institute with Oxford University.
Larry Ellison's New Technology Institute will invest over £100 million in a collaboration with Oxford University to address pressing global challenges through commercialized scientific research. This partnership includes a £30 million investment in a Center for AI doctoral training at Oxford, providing scholarships for at least 100 students over the next 5 years.
Clarifai launches new AI resource management platform.
Clarifai has introduced a vendor-agnostic platform that allows users to manage and optimize computing resources from various sources through a single dashboard. This new feature enables enterprises to bundle smaller AI models to reduce costs and improve resource efficiency while scaling their AI operations.
AI startup transforms photos into interactive 3D worlds.
World Labs has created an AI system that converts single photos into navigable 3D environments, though it currently has limitations like restricted movement and rendering glitches. Despite being early in development, the company has raised $230 million from investors, aiming to build large-scale models that comprehend physical spaces.
Amazon Q Developer enhances AI tools for developers.
AWS has upgraded Amazon Q Developer to incorporate generative AI, enabling developers to automate coding, testing, and maintenance tasks more efficiently throughout the software development lifecycle. With its new capabilities, Amazon Q Developer can now assist from requirement analysis to deployment, streamlining processes like code documentation and legacy application modernization significantly faster and more effectively.
Google launches private preview for AI video generator Veo.
Google has introduced Veo, its advanced text-to-video generation model, in private preview on Vertex AI for Google Cloud users. Veo is designed to create realistic videos at 24 or 30 FPS, using both text prompts and reference images while maintaining motion consistency.
Concerns over ChatGPT's new search accuracy.
Researchers found that ChatGPT's search results often contained incorrect or misleading information, despite its confident responses. In tests, the tool failed to accurately identify quotes from articles, even from sources that had agreements with OpenAI, leading to frequent misattributions.
Amazon introduces Trainium 3 chip in Project Rainier.
Amazon AWS has unveiled the Trainium 3 chip, which promises to be twice as fast and 40% more energy efficient than its predecessor, Trainium 2, designed for training large language models. In addition, Project Rainier aims to create an ultra-cluster that can connect hundreds of thousands of Trainium chips, further enhancing capabilities for AI development.